Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make an elegant high-end DIY vase. The items we will be using are a small bowl, a plastic drinking cup, some iron hoops, 2 magnet containers, a small elephant, any type of small beads, and gold and white spray paint. I will leave a description of all the items in the description block below. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is spray paint the small bowl and the plastic cup. Next, spray paint the small elephant, the 2 small containers, and 6 of the hoops. Now we're going to glue our hoops together. I used a marker to indicate where to glue the beads. I glued them about 4 inches apart. Then you'll add lots of glue in between each bead and on top of each bead. Then you'll add your hoop and you'll continue gluing on the rest of your hoops and beads in the same manner. Now add lots of glue to the top container, then add your hoops and hold it in place for a few moments until it sets. Glue your hoops onto your plastic cup, Then glue on your small bowl and the elephant. I defanged my elephant. This is optional. Then the last thing you do is just add whatever types of flowers you want to your vase.